Hummus is a delicious Middle Eastern dip made from chickpeas, tahini, garlic, and lemon juice. Here is a simple recipe for making hummus. Ingredients needed to prepare hummus: 3 cups cooked chickpeas, 1 to 2 cloves garlic, finely minced 1/3 cup tahini, juice of 1 lemon, pinch of kosher salt, extra virgin olive oil, sumac or ground cumin for garnish. How to prepare hummus. 1. In a food processor, blend the cooked chickpeas, garlic, tahini, lemon juice, and salt until smooth. 2. Gradually add extra virgin olive oil while blending until the hummus reaches your desired consistency. 3. Transfer the hummus to a serving bowl and drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. 4. Garnish with sumac or ground cumin. 5. Serve with pita bread, vegetables, or crackers. This recipe makes a delicious and healthy snack that is perfect for any occasion. Enjoy!